So in economics, buy and sell have the same value. Somebody buys and somebody sells for the same price, more or less. So why does somebody need to buy and somebody need to sell if you're just exchanging one equal valued thing for another? Well, I made a game based on this, and this is my small amount of money, my red ball. I'm gonna take money from these other big balls by going to an economic space where I am the big guy on that center of gravity. The center of gravity is this white thing here. So in this form of economics, you keep this thing from tilting. It doesn't go like this or this. It always holds the mass to be equal. So you go over here, somebody has to shrink. It might be you. Now see, this b-ball, he has too much. So I'm going to hit him over here into the side where everybody else is. So he loses, and I just stole his money. Now this is it's just a game. It's just a number. It's a simulation of economics. But it's based on the theory that buying and selling always have the same value. So we adjust the masses like a seesaw in whatever direction the center of gravity points. So here, the center of gravity is from here to here, so it's along this axis that we're buying and selling between here. Although it could be any direction. It depends where the balls go. So I think this is going to become a very strategic game. Once I get some items in it and make it massively multiplayer. So this is some mouse gestures research that I was doing, and if you notice the red, which is the acceleration, it is not exactly aligned. The blue is not exactly aligned. You see here and here, they should be kind of equal. So there's a tilt in it. There's a curve, and this energy is not where it should be. So here are some links. You can go to either of the top two to download this. It's open source, GNU GPL. It's very small. It's less than 60 kilobytes. It's a jar file. You unzip it, or you can just double click it to play that game. You move the mouse to move the A ball and bounce around these. So let me know what you think, both about the game and the economic theory. There's more detail in the README on GitHub.